to one example. Suppose the case one, a block is there, wooden block. Okay, one person is pushing from or this side, applying force. Another person is applying from this side. Okay, one person is applying towards right side. He is applying towards the left side. Basically pushing. That means force is acting over this wooden block. Let us take one more example. Same wooden block. One person is applying towards the same. Another person is also applying the force from this side. Same side. Okay. So basically two persons are applying on the same side. This is on the different side. This is case one, case two. Okay. In this you need to understand that when he applies from this side and this side, where will the force or where will the wooden block move? Towards left or towards the right? That is the question. Right? So basically you need to understand that here, whenever force acts on the body on the opposite, I mean like from this side and from other side, opposite directions, then the net force means where will the body move? Net force will be nothing but the addition of, net force opposite direction means a subtraction. That means difference of two forces. Okay, try to understand. Let us take, suppose he is applying 10 Newton force. Newton is nothing but the unit of force. 10 Newton is applying from this side. From this side is applying 20 Newton. Now where will the box or the wooden block will move? Towards the right. Why? Because the net force of these two will be the difference of two forces. That means the higher one minus the lower one. That is another 10 Newton. So the wooden block will move towards the right with the force of 10 Newton. That is the main concept of net force. Okay. So try to understand that he is applying from this side, 20 here, 10 here. Okay, 10 Newton, 20 Newton. So the net force will be the difference of two forces. That means the higher value minus the lower value. Now he is applying the higher value, so the box or the wooden block will move towards the right because he is pushing from this side, right? So it will move towards the right. Now observe here. Here the net force will be, see, here basically the net force will be, see, both are applying on the same side, same direction. So suppose he is applying 10 Newton and he is applying some 15 Newton. So the net force will be the addition of two forces because the force is applied on the same direction. Here it was in the opposite direction. Here it's applying on the same direction. So addition of two forces. Right? So 10 Newton plus 15 Newton will give you what? What is that? 25. So both will apply this and the wooden block will start to move towards the left side. Now observe here. Force has two main things. That is what? Magnitude and direction. Magnitude and what? Direction. Basically magnitude means, see, I have taken what is the strength of the force. Magnitude means strength of the force. Direction. One more thing is what? Direction. Now force is a vector quantity that we'll study later. Okay, so vector quantity means magnitude and direction will be there. Now magnitude and direction. Now magnitude means strength. Suppose he's applying 10 Newton and he's applying 20 Newton. These are nothing but what? Magnitude. That means strength. What is the strength of each person that is applying, pushing the wooden block? Okay, the strength is basically magnitude. This is nothing but what? Magnitudes. Now, so net to this force is nothing but magnitude. Okay. Now, direction is nothing but the wooden block is moving towards the right side in this case. Okay, in this case, it is moving towards the left side. So this is nothing but the direction of the wooden block after applying the force. Okay, so this is moving towards the left side and this is moving towards the right side. So this is nothing but the direction. So force has two things that you remember. One is magnitude and one is direction. Magnitude means strength of the force. Direction means in which direction the block or the body is moving. Okay,